Hello, welcome to OCL Soundwave's newest podcast sequence, Splash with OCL. This sequence will provide you with what is happening at the Ocean County Library. I'm here with Lori again to talk about the different kids events and programs they have here at the Barnegat branch of the Ocean County Library. Lori, so do you have any specific programs or events you would like to talk about or highlight for the branch that are coming up?
Yeah, we have a lot of things happening at the library this summer. We have a ton of events going on for the kids. Here at the Barnegat branch, our children's librarian has put together a ton of fun programs and events for kids and families to enjoy all summer long. Aside from the summer reading challenge, that there are so many fun and exciting events happening. There's a couple that I want to highlight on for this branch, and one of them is our community garden story time. We had August 22nd at 10:30 in the morning, and our community garden is located at 547 North Main Street behind Lefty's Tavern on Route 9. And what it is volunteer gardeners are going to be there to share their expertise and guide a planting activity. So each session will highlight a different plant, and our children's librarian will be there for story time. This is a program that you must register for, so please do that as soon as possible if you are interested for your children.
Now, you said it's not actually at the Barnegat branch, but it's off-site, which is fine. And I did do some research on the program because I thought it was such a cool program, such a great idea. So the past, they did apples, and then the next one will be on marigolds. And I think that's great because it makes you want to come back and learn about the different types of plants, things that you can grow in your garden. Yeah. I don't have a garden personally. My father loves his garden, grows many different things. Do you have a garden?
I do have a garden.
Oh, okay.
I actually just picked some zucchini in my garden.
Oh, awesome. Nice.
Yeah, I have a fun little garden in my backyard. But this is great for the kids, too, because what they're planting, they go home with.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
that's
but basically the community garden, if anybody's interested, you can go there and they'll give you a plot and you can do your own gardening. But for this particular activity, the kids they'll plant something and then they can take it home.
Now, I know you're not a children's librarian, but I have to ask, maybe do you know if the children can come back and visit the community garden?
It's free for anybody to visit.
Okay.
Yeah, anybody can come back and visit.
Oh, that's awesome. That's good to know. So along with this awesome gardening program, are there any additional programs happening at the Barnegat branch coming up soon?
So there's one that is in my head because I think it's going to be a really popular one. Our librarian is doing candy bar bingo. Oh. And I'm not really sure all the details of it, but I know it's for the children and they're going to do bingo and it involves different kinds of candy. And we have one that's coming up.
I wonder if this will start to become like almost a reoccurring program.
But what's really cool about this program is that she has children, our children's librarian, and someone had done it with one of her kids. I think they did it at school or something. So she just thought it was so cool. So she decided to incorporate it here, and everybody's been asking about it.
You guys have such great programs. I remember I was here back in the spring and I attended something to cover for you guys, and it was the Tailwise. It was I think it was the Ice Princess or the Snow Princess and the dragons, and it was just so cool. There's so many people here, all the kids, the parents, they were all into it. It was great. Yeah. You guys do such a great job with your programs here.
Yeah, they do. Our children's librarian is awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Any other ones you can think of at the moment? But those seem to be pretty big.
You're talking about that one that
the Tailwise?
They might be doing that again.
Are they doing the science one?
Yeah, she's trying to bring that.
Is that part of the summer programming that we have? Because we know Tailwise is coming here for summer programming. But maybe she's trying to do a different one besides summer programming.
One.
That's fun.
Because that one was so
popular.
And
I mean, shout out to Tailwise. They have a really good crew.
The kids were following that host out the door.
Yeah, with the ice.
Like asking her questions as she's going out the door when she was leaving. So
and it's great. They get to interact with the kids, and it's just nice to have people from the community come together and participate in all of that stuff. So we'll have to keep a lookout for the one. Hopefully she gets another one besides the summer reading. I believe the summer reading one deals with science.
Awesome.
So I can't think of it off the top of my head, but it's definitely science related. Most of Tailwise, I feel like, is science related.
Yeah, kids love it. That's what's so, they're so fascinated by it.
Not just the kids, the parents enjoy it too, which is great.
We do too.
Right, here at OCL, we do enjoy our programs we host. That is a fact.
That's not true. Our teen librarian had a Jenkinson's aquarium in here a couple months ago, and she brought a penguin
Did
in.
the penguins come?
And I'm like, somebody tell me when the penguin's here. And I snuck in the back just to watch.
Now, I know we're talking about Barnegat's branches. I know that the penguins will also be at another branch.
I think they're coming back here.
Oh, coming back here?
For the younger kids now.
Oh, well,
Because that was for the teens.
if you guys are listening, definitely check out our website. You can meet a penguin from Jenkinson's Aquarium.
So fun.
Such fun things we have here, especially during our summer reading programs.
Absolutely.
I think we go above and beyond when it comes to those types of programs.
Absolutely.
Any others, Lori? If not,
Off the top of my head, I can't think of
that's
any.
okay. The ones you provided and we talked about are more than enough, but it was great talking about these programs. I hope people can go online. They can find out more information. You can register. You can call the branch.
Yeah.
You could talk to Lori. You could talk to any of the lovely librarians or library assistants here. They'll be able to help you with more information on the programs.
Definitely.
Thank you for splashing your way through Ocean County Library with us, and tune in next time for more Splash with OCL. Thank you again, Lori.
Thank you.